Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your science class. Student, before starting today's topic, we will revise yesterday topic. That is system of a plant. Now, student, a plant has two systems. First is root and second is shoot. Now, roots grow below the ground and shoot grow above the ground. Okay, now clear? So student, now we will start our today's topic. Now today we will learn about root, like what is roots, type of roots and function of root. Now let's start. Now student, lesson 7, parts of a plant. Now today we will learn about root. Okay, now the part of a plant that grows below the ground is called root. Okay, now student, you can see here the part which is under the ground. Okay, now under the ground, that is root. Now there are two types of roots. Now first is tap root, second is fibrous root. Okay, now student, first of all we will learn about tap root. Now student, tap root. Tap root consists of a main thick root which grows from the end of the stem. Many small roots arise from the main root. Tap root is found in plants like people, hibiscus, rose and tomato. So now student, in a tap root, one thick root grows from the end point of the stem. Then from this thick root, many small roots develop. Now example of tap roots are people, rose, tomato and hibiscus. Student, look at this diagram. This is tap root. Okay, now this is tap root. Now this is stem. Okay, now you can see here, this is the end point of the stem. This is the end point of the stem. Okay, now and one thick root. How many? One thick root grows from the end point of the stem. Then from this thick roots, many small roots grow. Okay, now clear? This is tap root. Now student, second root is fibrous root. Okay, now it consists of many roots arising from the end of the stem. Fibrous roots are found in plants like grass, wheat, onion and sugarcane. Okay, so now student, in fibrous root, many roots are developed from the end part of the stem. Now example of fibrous root are grass, onion, sugarcane and wheat. Now student, look at this diagram. This is fibrous root. Now this is stem and this is end of the stem. Okay, now you can see here in this diagram, many roots are growing from the end of the stem. Okay, now this is fibrous root. Now student, functions of roots. Okay, now functions of roots. First function, roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. They prevent the plant from falling down. Now student, plant remains uplifted in the soil with the help of root. Roots are like human feet. The way human stands on their feet, likewise plant stand on its root, and roots prevent plants from falling. Now student, second point, they intake water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. Now, thus the plant absorbs water and minerals from soil through roots. Okay, now the plant absorb water and minerals from soil through roots and transport to the other parts like stem, leaves, flower, etc. Now student, third point, roots hold the soil and prevent it from being washed away by water or wind. So now student, roots bind the soil and prevent it to be washed away by the flow of water and wind, thus help in preventing soil erosion at an effective level. Okay, now clear? Now student, fourth, roots of some plants store food. For example, carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. Such roots are eaten as food by us. So student, roots of some plant store food in them. Okay, now thereby human eats, consumes these roots. Example of such roots are carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip, beetroot. Okay, student, you all can see in this picture turnip and carrot store food in their roots. Okay, and we consume it, and these are also used in making salads. So student, today I told you about roots. Now roots grow below the ground. Now there are two types of root. First is taproot, second is fibrous root. Now example of taproots are hibiscus, peepal, rose, and example of fibrous root are onion, grass, wheat. Student, I hope you all must have understood today's topic. So now student, homework, read today's topic carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.